Hey guys, this is Paul checking in with you, and right now I am standing in a very nice, windy, breezy, bright apartment that I'm going to list right now. So, taking you on a first look of this, I would say, of course, it's just a very simple, modest, I would say, move-in condition. As you can see, we've cleared up everything. Okay, so this is actually in Clementi, in block 375. It's a mid-floor unit, so you do get to see greenery at your eye level and ample sunshine, because I know a lot of my friends out there, you like to actually have a lot of plants as well. So a lot of long time friendly neighbors over here, very peaceful, very quiet. You can see the wind rustling the leaves, and you can actually hear the birds chirping over here. So we are, location wise, is actually just opposite Trivalis. There's also a bus stop, okay, a sheltered. So, and it's just a short walk from Clementi MRT. And talking about Clementi MRT, the best thing is this is just 1 minute away from the Cross Island Line exit. Okay, Cross Island Line exit, if you're not very familiar yet, let me fill you in. It's actually just in front of block 376. So we're at 375. So the cool thing is, yeah, you can tap onto the Cross Island Line next time. As a Clementi resident myself, I am looking forward. You know why? Because just as the name says, it will bring you, to all the different lines. Okay, so you have King Albert Park. Okay, that will bring you to the Bukit Timah area. And if let's say you're schooling in SIM, in Ngee Ann Poly, that is fantastic. Okay, and you have Bright Hill, so that's on the Thomson East Coast Line, the brown line. And I'm looking forward is you'll go directly to Ang Mo Kio. Okay, so that cuts you to the north. And then also Hougang. Okay, so that brings you to the northeast very easily. And last but not least, my favorite, because it brings me much closer to the east side, Pasir Ris, and of course to the airport, because Singaporeans, we love to travel, right? Yeah, so I think that is the main perk of it. So it's gonna be ready in a few years time. It's an underground station. Okay, right now they're building it, and I'm pretty sure, as you know, they will have some shops, dining. So yeah, you'll be a lot more convenient. I mean, Clementi is already one of the most convenient and most sought after because of all the good schools here as well. Okay, so coming back to the unit, I mean, like I said, this is nothing fabulous or fantastic. But if you are looking for a location, if you are looking for a place that perhaps you want to tear down everything and build it, okay, you can. Or if you are just looking for something modest, something practical and move in, you can as well. We've even done up a fresh coat of paint for you, clean up everything nicely. Okay, it's been well maintained. And I will always advise my friends to look at both the front and the back of the houses, because everything in the house you can change. But you need to see, like, okay, is this the kind of facing that I want? Yes, you can be able to see some greenery, see the nice clear skies with the fluffy clouds. You get fresh air, right? You be able to air your laundry well. Okay, bathrooms have all been upgraded few years back. Okay, in fact, this cluster is probably one of the last to go through the HIP. Okay. Okay, so if you're familiar, this is like a 3NG huge kitchen. Okay, and coming into, so I'm actually feeling a very nice breeze right now, right? And then coming into the rooms, so everything has already been cleared out, and the owner did some modification. That means they took out some of the storeroom space to deepen your wardrobe space. Okay, so you gotta come and experience it for yourself. Okay, so you can see no built-ins, so it saves you a lot of money. Okay, if you are looking to redo the whole place, so you save money on hacking the unnecessary. right? So this would be the master bath. So again, like I said, tap into the good schools around, the plenty of dining options around just downstairs. Okay, you have a lot of coffee shops, 24-hour dining, 24-hour supermarkets, right? And of course, you have well served by buses. You can conveniently walk to Clementi MRT, right? In Avenue 4, it's considered like the quieter part of Clementi, where it's really nice for living. And if you fancy, you know, like cafe hopping, going to the restaurants, exercising at the canal, then Sunset Way is just probably about few minutes walk for you. So that's what I love and enjoy as well, especially during, you know, like the COVID times. Wow, Sunset Way is really a blessing. Okay. All right, so I'll catch up with you again. This is gonna come up for sale, and I'm very sure it's gonna be gone really fast, especially with the added convenience of the Cross Island Line just at your doorstep. Okay, see you soon.